In this video, I'll guide you through how to set new property lead notifications in PropWire. If you regularly search for investment opportunities, setting up lead notifications can help you stay on top of new properties that match your criteria. Receiving alerts as soon as new leads become available allows you to review them quickly and act faster when opportunities arise. Fortunately, PropWire includes a built-in notification feature that only takes a few moments to configure. To get started, log into your PropWire account and open the dashboard. Before you can receive notifications, you'll first need to create a saved search. If you've already built one, you can skip ahead to the notification settings. Otherwise, begin by selecting the market you want to target, such as a city or another search area. After that, choose the lead type and any other filters that fit your investment strategy. Once your search results are ready, click the Save Search option and give the search a name that's easy to recognize later. As you're saving the search, you'll also have the option to enable notifications. Turn on the notification setting so PropWire can alert you whenever a new property matches the search criteria you've saved. Make sure email notifications are enabled if you'd like to receive alerts directly in your inbox. If you prefer receiving text messages instead, you can also enable text notifications using the available option. Once you've selected your preferred notification methods, save your changes and close the window. If you've already created saved searches in the past, you don't need to rebuild them just to enable notifications. Return to the PropWire home screen and click the profile icon in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, open the Saved Searches section. Here you'll see a list of all the searches you've previously created. Locate the saved search you'd like to update and turn on the notification option beside it. You can enable email notifications, text notifications, or both, depending on how you prefer to receive updates. After enabling the settings, any new property that matches the saved search criteria will automatically trigger a notification, helping you stay informed without having to manually rerun the search. Using saved searches together with automatic notifications is an easy way to keep track of new opportunities as they become available. Once everything is configured, PropWire will continue monitoring your saved criteria and notify you whenever matching leads are added, making it easier to stay organized and respond quickly to potential investment opportunities.